talk. Hit from the back like, hitting your bitch, make her come right. He talking shit, see the sunlight. He try to run up, he see this.
Currently, we are at Bernie Falls, y'all. Feel me? On our way to. This looks so unreal. Like the camera does not do it justice at all. I'm working on about 2 hours of sleep, but it's okay because look at this. It's freaking beautiful, and the pics are coming. It's gonna be fire.
About 4.5 hours?
Yeah. We're walking.
So basically 4 hours.
We're walking on a trail to see waterfall. Look at this race. Oh. Okay, my biggest fear of all these bridges, and we got one big old one coming up. My hands were shaking, the anxiety was hitting, I was about to start crying. It was about to be bad, but you know what, I had to realize something. I'm that bitch, okay? I am that motherfucking bitch, okay? So we're gonna do this, we're gonna go across this bridge because we got this. Let's go. It's okay.
I'll behind you. Come on, go.
Nah, I gotta wait till there because I'm running. Okay. Oh yeah, see, that's exactly why I was not going on the bridge with him. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'll go next. Forget that.
Go ahead. I'll meet you guys on the other end. Okay. Is that off the bridge? This is steep. Yeah. Get off the bridge. It's not gonna hold two of us. It's not enough room for two people. I'm not taking any risks.
Run.
Never again. Never again will that happen. Ever again. I told y'all, I did it. This is why you can't hike with old people, bro. They can't keep up. They can't keep up. How old are you guys? Drop your ages down below.
Right now.
I was running it the whole time. They couldn't keep up. He said, I think we're almost there. I see a bench. She's off for the count, y'all. You're off for the count, y'all. This might need to be a two-part video, no cap. This might need to be a whole separate video. So, he said it's benchmark. We're not even done yet. We just meet. Now you gonna run? She said it's a bench. She said she's gonna run to it. Never again will that happen. Ever again. Yo, bro. There's another bridge, y'all. And this bridge is bigger than the last. Ah! Nah, but for real, there's another bridge. And I'm not looking forward to it because it's worse than last one. But y'all finna see me again. Sprint across that. Sprint across it, just like I did the last. OG, triple OG. I'm at my ultimate match. But y'all finna see me. I'm finna run. I'm finna run across this bridge right here, boy. But I tell you, I'm finna run across this motherfucking bridge. And y'all over here taking pictures like this, like y'all just trust the wood. This is crazy, bro. Sit right here, wait for them to be done. Okay, turns out I did not record an outro for this video, so I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. This picture is taken on our next destination, which was Mount Hood. I forgot the last name, but it will be in the next video. You guys will see exactly what we did up there. Thank you guys. Have a great day. And like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all. Sheesh.